It's a big deal, and when it works, eventually, this is the testing phase, it will give the Navy and the U.S. A new range of power to protect ships and to attack opponents. And the big public display is to build the support for this program to make sure that we follow through on it and that we're willing to spend the money. You know, if Congress pulls the plug on this, it will set the Navy back a decade. The Joint Strike Fighter might be the last manned fighter the U.S. ever builds. They're so expensive, they're so complex, and you put a human at risk every time it takes off from the carrier. This will be the future of warfare, and it will be a warfare that is a little less risky for humans, but maybe a little more effective when it comes to delivering weapons and effect.